Tyson, you want to do some push-ups? Ready? You gonna count your push-ups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, Abuelito! Say, great job. You gonna throw the ball? All right, set it up, set it up. Good job, my boy. You gonna do down, set, hut, hut? Where's the ball? Right there? Oh, go get it. Okay, then you gotta go down, set, hut, hut. Uh-oh, you gonna run it? Okay. Ready? Ready? Down! You just gonna run. What is that? No. No, 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 no. That is not good. Aw, you take a picture, cheese. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
It's a go.